Mm-hmm.
La ciencia.
Hey. I just do it over and over and over and over and over. The minute you do it over and over and over, you end up wrong. You'll end up wrong again. You'll end up wrong again. Day after day after day, you still can't see what you're not. So I must show you what you're not. You're still in school and you're like 55. Oh, what grade are you in? I keep forgetting, but you keep getting held back in 3rd grade. You sleep in on the bus, keep losing every single test. You can't hear me with my white noise, You going and doing it over again. They go to summer school and you think you would at least try to do something. Come on, bro. Damn. Yeah. I'll show you what you need and what you don't. So when you try to show me what I am, I just don't believe you.